Arapaoa Island is at the entrance to Tory Channel. Everyone who comes through to the South Island on the ferry looks up and sees these hills. The whole island has a lot of historical significance. From a Māori perspective, it's been part of trading patterns for hundreds of years, and it is where James Cook saw Cook Strait for the first time, so it's got an important European history as well.
So what does it mean to you when you stand here and look out there and see those dead trees?
Really strong sense of achievement that we've made that difference.
So back in 2008, the Marlborough Sounds Restoration Trust was formed. We were losing the skyline to pine trees.
Everyone grumbled about it for years, but until the Sounds Restoration Trust came along, we had no way of getting rid of them.
If it hadn't been for local initiative, these trees would have overwhelmed the place by now.
As soon as they start to poison them and we see those silver trees standing dying, we recognise just how prolific they were across the landscape. Every dying pine is a road marker to the success of this project.
We've been going for 15 years. Every year we're killing, tens of thousands of trees. We drill holes around the trunk and then we inject herbicide into these holes. It's a lot faster and safer than most methods. This time of year, a tree like this will colour off within a month. Getting the funding from the National Wilding Conifer program has been transformative for us because there were big areas like Arapaoa Island that we were never going to start without the surety of funding.
I think the beautiful thing about this project is that it has been community-led. We obviously have our government partners, we have our council partners, but we also have our iwi partners. It's everybody coming together.
Once these trees start dying, the regeneration starts immediately.
That's a juvenile tawa. In this part of the Sounds, there would have been big tracts of tawa forest.
That's really impressive. So that's just natural seed lying there, waiting for those pines to be taken out.
The moment the tree's not there, all those nutrients are there for natives to come away, and that's what we're trying to do, new beginnings.
So you can actually see what we've achieved here from space. Not that many projects you can invest in where you're going to make a change that's on that scale.
When I travel around the Sounds now, there's this huge sense of achievement.
There's a sense with everyone who lives in the Sounds that we're regenerating the place. We're making a difference. And that's a good feeling for all of us.